So whatever I have seen, in my view, there is no specific, timeline for fundraise, right? It is always said, grab it, when you get it. But of course, you can time it because planning always helps. Most of the time, if you look at, if I share, the initial journey of an entrepreneur, especially first generation entrepreneur, they would start with some savings of their own. It will be bootstrapped, or they would borrow money from family friends, right? So that's how most of the ventures get started. Now, to move further, you certainly need resources, and one of the very important resource for any startup is money, right? Money helps in paying your bills, money helps in you hiring, money helps in promoting, so which is very important ingredient apart from your other resources. So one should, plan, well in advance. They should, do it with an objective to see how much, money they have, to run their show. When I say run their show, basically, what kind of runway they have. Do they have, money to, run their operations comfortably for 3 months, for 6 months, for 12 months, and accordingly they should plan their fundraise. Ideally, uh, like if round size is very small, and if you have a very interesting value proposition, then fundraising cycle will be shorter, right? But as stakes gets higher, the fundraise takes anywhere between 3 to 9 months, depending at what stage you're raising, right? 9 months when I say from introduction to money in your bank. Right? So if you look at fundraising, you get introduced, know share your you know pitch. Then there would be diligence. Then there would be Q&A, and then there would be documentation, and then you finally get your money in bank once documents have been executed. So this take times from DD perspective. So I'll share more thoughts around it as we move on our discussion. But what is a good time? I think if someone is able to plan it, then they should certainly keep 3 to 6 months timeline in mind for fundraise. But in my personal view, uh, you know uh, uh, whenever you're able to raise is a good time for you, because look at, I have two examples which I would like to share. There's a company which had a term sheet for $3 million, and they were discussing, and before they could have moved to next step from term sheet, this pandemic trigger happened across world, and most of the investors put things on hold, right? So the investment which was for $3 million actually was put on hold, right? So your timing probably was not right, right? There is another example where a company was just able to get money in bank just before lockdown, right? Or just before this pandemic trigger was kicked in. And if money in bank, at least money in pocket to think through, sit through, and decide how you want to spend. You don't have stress as far as paying your bill, and you can plan on other activities. So like company which had money were not able to go out for sales, have used that time for product development, right? Have used that time for R&D, and they could do only because they had resources with them, right? So in my view, fundraising should be concluded when you are able to conclude. It should not be dragged on, because you never know what's stored in